When you're looking at becoming a member of the port, I think there are a couple of things that really come to mind. Number one is just in general the support of the city of Houston and the state of Texas. Again, because of the size of the port and the enormity of it in our economic system in the state, as well as our economic system in the city of Houston, it's just a reason to support one of the biggest industries that we have here. This is probably the most important area that you can be involved in, is the port. And it's not just what you get, but what you're giving back to the city. The other things I think that you get through your membership is just information. Information through the Port Bureau News, as well as the monthly update as a member that you receive from the port. And also the benefit of being listed in a membership directory among all the members within the Port Bureau is just so important. Everyone in the city and all the companies that you do business with and all the companies you don't do business with but you'd like to do business with will see that you're an important part of the port. And I think the things that you get well outweigh the things that you give with the Port Bureau.